Claudia and Darisbel oral portion. Start.
Hello, Darisbel.
Hello, Claudia.
I would like you to talk today about how we handle our time. Do you think we can talk about this?
Yes, of course.
Do you get to all your appointment and meeting on time?
Yes, usually yes.
You did rather be late or later?
No, I'd rather be early. I like to be punctual so that people don't have to wait for me.
Do you manage time or does time harm you?
Well, most of the time I try to organize my days, but let the water reach me.
How much time do you spend sleeping?
Every day I wake up early. I sleep about 8 hours a day.
Interesting.
Bye, see you soon.
See you.
Another one. Yeah. Okay, go ahead.
Yeah?
Yes. Okay, go ahead.
Hello, Claudia.
Hello, Darisbel.
How do you feel?
Very good, thank you. Hi, what about you?
Very good too. Do you manage time?
Yes. Why do you ask this question?
Well, this is the question in class this week.
For me, time is gold, because if I waste my time, I am going to regret it in the future.
Does time manage you now?
I think time manage me now because I rarely have time to do what I like. I am always very busy.
Do you like to be busy, or do you like to have an easy schedule?
I like to have an easy schedule, wherever my schedule is very busy and I barely have spare time.
Do you think time moves slowly or quickly?
I think time moves very quickly.
What would you do if you had a few extra hours in a day?
If I had a few extra hours a day, I would go shopping and go to the beach to relax.
The question in class is interesting. Trot.
Yes, very interesting.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay. Now, hold on a minute.